Hi everyone, here we've got a HTC Desire 12 Plus and let me show you how to block a number on this device. So first of all, we have to tap on our dialer, and it doesn't really matter if you will be on your favorites, recents or contacts. Here we've got the three dots icon, so let's tap on it and choose the settings. Here we've got the call blocking option, so let's enter, and as you can see here we've got our blacklist, which is empty right now. In order to add a number, just tap on this option, add a number, and here we can manually type the number we want to block. Let's tap on block if you're ready, and as you can see, it immediately appears on our blacklist, so it means that from now on we won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from that number. Of course, if you want to unblock it, you can do it simply by tapping on this X button right next to it. Now your device is asking you if you really want to unblock this number, and if you are ready, tap on unblock. As you can see, it immediately disappears, so it means that you will receive all calls and text messages from that number. So that's all. This is how to block a number in your HTC Desire 12 Plus. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.